6th Standard English Poem.
Students, when will we feel thirst? Yes, during summer season. Today we are going to learn the poem Indian Seasons. Dear 6th Cuties, we are going to see this poem Indian Season was written by Nisha Dairin. Indian Seasons. Summer comes in a blaze of heat with sunny smiles and dusty feet. Stanza 2. Then seasons change to muddy roads, monsoons and mangoes, leapfrogs and toads. Stanza 3. Spring is pretty but short and sweet when you can smell the grass from your garden seat. Final stanza. Autumn is English in red, yellow and brown. Autumn is Indian whenever leaves fall down. The summer season brings cheerfulness to people. Though it brings smiles on their faces, it makes their feet dusty. See the first stanza. Summer comes in a blaze of heat with sunny smiles and dusty feet. Let's take first two lines. Summer comes in a blaze of heat. See the explanation. The summer season starts with intense of heat. It is like a bright flame or fire. See the poetic lines. With sunny smiles and dusty feet. Explanation. It brings cheerfulness to people. Though it brings smiles on their faces, it makes their feet dusty. Let's see the stanza 2. Then seasons change to muddy roads, monsoons and mangoes, leapfrogs and toads. After a period of time, the seasons change. Monsoon come in bringing muddy roads everywhere. Why are roads muddy? The roads become muddy because of heavy rains. See the poetic lines. Monsoons and mangoes, leapfrogs and toads. The monsoons cause rainfall everywhere and ripe mangoes are seen in abundance. The frogs play in the water and jump high. Toads hop happily around. Here, leap means jump. Let's see the third stanza. The poet describes the spring season. See the poetic lines. Spring is pretty but short and sweet when you can smell the grass from your garden seat. Let's see the first two lines. Spring is pretty but short and sweet. Let's see the explanation. Spring is pretty with freshness and blossoms everywhere, but it is short and sweet. See the next line. When you can smell the grass from your garden seat. The spring is sweet because its freshness can be smelled from your garden. See the fourth stanza. The poet describes the autumn season in this last stanza. See the poetic lines. Autumn is English in red, yellow and brown. Autumn is Indian whenever leaves fall down. Let's take first two lines. Autumn is English in red, yellow and brown. See the explanation. Autumn is different in the West. Autumn means fall. The flowers and leaves of the trees become red, yellow and brown. See the next lines. Autumn is Indian whenever leaves fall down. But in Indian, during autumn season, leaves fall down. Roman letter D. Which season am I? Read the poem, understand and solve the riddle. First one, I make the feet dusty. Answer, summer. Question number 2, frogs and toads will visit when I am there. Answer, rainy. Question number 3, I am pretty, short and sweet. Answer, spring. Question number 4, I make your garden smell sweet. Answer, spring. Question number 5, leaves will wither because of me. Answer, autumn. Roman letter D. Pick out the rhyming words from the poem and write them in the table. Stanza 1, heat, feet. Stanza 2, roads, toads. Stanza 3, sweet, seat. Stanza 4, brown, down. Roman letter E. Find examples of alliteration and write them in the blanks. First one, in a blaze of heat with sunny smiles. Answer, sunny smiles. Yes, yes. Question number 2, to muddy roads, monsoons and mangoes. Answer, monsoons, mangoes. Yum, yum. Question number 3, spring is pretty but short and sweet. Answer, short, sweet. Yes, yes.